In this lesson, you will learn about these vowels. These vowels, marked in different colors, are long and short. You know a long vowel when you see this, okay? These two dots, okay? All right. Let's talk about E sound, long E sound, this sound, okay? When you see double E, then you pronounce E. As well, when you see EA, you pronounce E. Okay, so see, freeze, keep, deep, neat, eat. Okay, just make a smile and pronounce E, cheese, for example. And here, of course, short E sound. Fit, it, fit, ship, trick, a bit. Okay, and together, see fit, freeze it, keep fit, deep ship, neat trick, eat a bit. Okay, so these are long E sound and short E sound. Let's talk about long U sound and short U sound. Okay, so we should know where the sound is. Okay, so for example, school, the sound is here. School. Group, who, use, move, view. Okay, and sound, full, pull, look, should, would, put. Okay, it's important to look up in the dictionary, look up words, whether they have long U sound or short U sound. Then we know that the word should be pronounced school, not school. School, okay? The school is full of people. The school is full of people. Let's talk about long schwa sound and short schwa sound. Long schwa sound. Okay? When you are tired or you don't want to do something, you just say okay? So for example, words such as nurse. When you see you are nurse, yeah? Nurse. Stir, learn, refer, girl. Okay, so they can be, the sound can be actually in the middle, at the end, okay, and here as well. Okay, so the position can be different. For example, nurse, stir, learn, refer, girl. Okay, and here it's kind of empty sound. It's yes, okay, so we have about, about, driver, drive, driver, the, was, submit, submit. Okay, this is really difficult sound, but it's really common in English, sound. Let's talk about long R sound, like car, and short sound. So okay, so for example, when you see, usually when you see a R or a S, you pronounce R. So car, last, ask, also AS, yes, ask, start, art, okay? And short sound, so usually when you see, for example, UN, yes, fun, run, or OM, like come, some, yeah, some, company, under, yeah, under, run, under. Okay, so you know where the sound is. For example, run, come, fun, some. Yes, and here last, star, ask, start. All right, so these are long R sound and short A sound, like a cup of tea. And at the end, let's talk about these two sounds. Long O sound and short O sound. O, 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 okay? For, more, also, talk, almost, water, door, wall. Okay? So the sounds can be at the end, can be in the middle, and also a word can start with the sound O also. Okay? And we have O sound like what, want, job, not, because, hot, lot. So generally short words, yes, may have this sound O sound, not job, hot, lot. Okay, but it's really important, don't look at the spelling. The spelling does not really mean how the word is pronounced. You know, actually, pronunciation is another language in English, and you have to simply learn it by examples. The more words you look up in the dictionary and see these sounds, the more you know how to pronounce. But sometimes spelling is helpful. For example, when we have short words, job, not, hot, so it's probably going to be O sound. The same with AL here, AL here as well. So also, talk, almost. But remember that we shouldn't take it for granted. Spelling does not really mean how these words are pronounced. Right? Now, you, okay? Just pronounce, say these vowels. E, I, U, U, A, O, O. Now your turn.